Hey guys, Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter, and if you're heading to the boat show, whether it's Fort Lauderdale, Newport, Monaco, any of them around the world, these are great experiences for you to check out a lot of great yachts that you might consider purchasing. But to get the most out of your boat show experience, I always recommend the following 5 things. The first is go on the first day. By going on the first day, you're going to catch every seller, broker, manufacturer while they're fresh, while they're at their best, and there's going to be no crowd or no lines that you're going to have to contend with. This allows you to get the most done in any single day of the show. Tip 2 is go 2 consecutive days. It's like being a kid in a candy store when you go here between the models at the check-in and all the amazing yachts. You have to go with a plan that you do on the first day and allow your eyes to wander and to check out some additional things on the second day. The third thing you're gonna wanna do is wear a good pair of shoes. And I'm not talking sandals. A good pair of boat shoes is what you wanna do because there's a lot of walking to be done. There's a lot of taking shoes on and off as you hop on board each vessel. So it's very important that you have something solid, and your back is probably gonna be a little bit sore at the end of the day, but having a good pair of shoes is gonna make this a lot better for you. The fourth thing to be a little bit cautious of is boat show specials. Plenty of sellers have these tricks where they make it a boat show special, but really they just raise the price right before the show. But at the end of the day, there are plenty of specials at the boat show because it costs brokers, owners a lot of money to exhibit and display these vessels for sale. So some owners really want to move these yachts, so be prepared to make an offer at a show, but know what's really a boat show special and what's not. The fifth thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna appoint or hire a broker to attend the show with you. Now, a broker is going to be really valuable in helping you buy any yacht at the lowest price, but the show, chances are they're going to cover your cost of admission, which in the scheme of buying a yacht isn't really too big, but it's going to allow you to go in and out of exhibits a lot quicker. In the industry, competing with brokers or trying to steal their clients is very taboo, very frowned upon. So a broker hands a contact card of their own and you just breeze right through. If it's just you at the show with your wife, your friends, your girlfriend, whatever it might be, it's gonna be really difficult. People are gonna extract your information from you and there's gonna be constant follow-up. I know a lot of people that hire a friend for the day to pose as a fake broker. That way they don't have to deal with all the follow-up. But obviously my preference is that me or one of my associates can walk through you and start guiding you through the process at any boat show. So, let me know in the comments below what boat show you're going to be attending, and hopefully we'll meet up. If you learned something in this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, but check out my website, www.theyachthunter.com as well. So, until next time, see you at the show, and happy yachting, my friends.